Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to turn on active noise cancellation. First, make sure your AirPods 4 are paired and have at least 20% battery. Low power can limit ANC. Once done, open Control Center or Settings Bluetooth and tap the AirPods entry. Choose noise cancellation from the listening modes. This engages the microphones and processing that cancel steady background noise. You want a snug seal in your ears because ANC works by sensing external sound and generating inverse waves. A poor fit reduces effectiveness. Now you'll fine-tune settings for consistent results. Run the ear tip fit test in Settings Bluetooth to confirm a good seal. This optimizes frequency response and ANC performance. You can assign press and hold on the stem or add noise control to Control Center for quick switching. Also try custom noise control options on iOS to balance noise reduction and awareness. Use lower volumes with strong ANC to preserve battery life. And remember that ANC reduces continuous sounds more effectively than sudden, sharp noises. Finish by locking in reliability and knowing how to fix issues. Keep your AirPods 4 and iPhone updated. Firmware tweaks often improve ANC. If noise cancellation becomes weak or inconsistent, reset the AirPods, place them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair. Make sure microphone meshes are clean and ears are free of significant wax. Debris can block sensors and mics. If problems persist, try a different device to isolate whether the source is the AirPods or the phone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.